so windy today. My hair is flying everywhere.
Yes, the wind is playing with your hair, Lily.
I wanted to go to the park, but I thought the wind might ruin our day.
Maybe not. The wind is part of nature too. It helps the trees dance and the clouds move.
That's true, and it feels cool on my face.
See? Even windy days can be beautiful.
Listen, Tom, the leaves are singing.
Yes, they sound like tiny whispers of the wind.
I feel happy now. The wind isn't scary anymore.
That's because you learned to see the good side of it. Every day has something nice, sunny or windy.
Then let's enjoy our windy day.